All right, today we're going into Five and Below to see what they have for Christmas and holiday decor. When you first walk in, they have all of the holiday decor, so you'll get hit with that festive feel. They have all of the colors of the season. They have pillows. They have decor so much. These are cute, the little glass trees, because you can put lighting in these. Like you can get lighting from the Dollar Tree, you can get lighting from Five and Below. And then you can light it up underneath. You can put you a little LED candle in there and have a little light. I think these are so cute because they have the opening on the bottom. And then these little reindeer. I've seen these reindeer too at the Target dollar spot. But these are bigger. So Five and Below has the bigger ones. And then they have the little trees here, which are cute. Just some nice, simple, cute Christmas decor. They have the gnomes, and then you can see they have them in different colors to fit in with different styles. I like this little joy sign. It was $3. The Christmas tree collar, which I thought was cute. It says metal. It felt a little plastic, but like a metal too at the same time. It's not for a super big tree, but that would fit like a medium-sized tree. I thought that was great. And like I said, all of the pillow choices that they have here. They have decor, like these big pieces of decor. So you can do something around your front door with these if you have like, a bigger space. The wreaths, they have in white, they had it in green, they had it in silver. The green is going to be like the traditional look one, but if you're into a more colorful holiday, they have these bows, $25 for $1.25. I think that's a good deal. For bows, for all your gifts, they have ornaments. They had them in different colors. You can get all of those. It's a 21-piece set for $5. They even have a little tree. I'm not sure if the tree collar goes with this size tree or maybe a little bigger tree, but they have that tree there for $5. Right, I keep saying $5. A lot of things are now $5.55. So $5.55, Five and Below. They have the tree toppers, advent calendars, garland, just so many different things that you can pick from. They have their tree skirts. I think this size tree skirt would go with probably that 4-foot tree that they had there, but it was a nice feel to it, a nice little thickness to it. So I did like that one. They had so many stockings, and then you can get them with the monogram look on them, so they had all the different letters. This I did a DIY on something like this before. That one was ripped, so make sure you get a good one. But yeah, so $5 for that. And like I said, so many stockings that you can pick from, so you can have your own little choice that goes in with your decor that you're doing this year. So this is the tree, and they also have the tree in green too. So the tree with the little tree skirt, you could see, put the little tree topper. You can do like a whole thing, and this would be a good size for an apartment too. They have the lighting, just everything you need. They have socks, because you can't say Christmas time without socks. So Five and Below has the little socks, and you could see the pajamas. So this is just per piece. So it's like you get a bottom, you get a top, but they kind of match with the socks. So you can get the pajama set and the matching socks to go with it. So they had that little traditional one. They had the little gnome one. But just some cute options for Christmas pajamas. And you can do the whole set for like family photos. They had so much wrapping paper. And you can see these were $3. And then you're going to get that's 50 square feet for these. So you have a lot of wrapping paper options, from traditional things like A Christmas Story, to the character. Just so many options to pick from right now at Five and Below. So they have these sizes, and then they have bigger sizes too. These gift box sets, so you get 8 gift boxes, so you get 2 of each design, and they had a few different designs to pick from. So if you're not into one, they had the other. They're all going to be the same size, so these are all going to be the same size boxes. But like I said, they had so many different prints to pick from, and with these you don't need wrapping paper. You just put a little tape on the side and then you're done. These reversible You can see what the other side looks like. The reversible wrapping paper, and you're going to get all 3 rows of those. This one was 160 square feet for that roll, and you can see it's tall too, so you can wrap some big presents in that. These little Christmas tree, I seen something like this at the Dollar Tree too though, for $1.25, but they weren't as big as those. So between Five and Below and the Dollar Tree, you can decorate on a budget this Christmas season. These little sock sets, so you get 12. If you know a sock lover, I think these are great. If you are a sock lover, I think these are great because you'll get 12 for $5. Then they had little individual ones for $2, like, individual sets of socks for $2. So you can pick, and they had so many different prints and designs to pick from in this. So I thought those were cute. They have the little hats, so you can get like the Santa hats, but for your own style. So they had different themes, a lot of Disney type themes they had there, and then you could just see the socks displayed there, so you could just see them better. They had the little gloves, the ones that you open up and then you could put your fingers out. So they had those, and they had those in different prints, which I thought was cute. So like I said, they have so many different Christmas things. Candy. These are cute. So if you do like a coffee station or a tea station or something, a hot chocolate station, those little spoons would be cute to put there. Just a few different picks for Christmas candy, which I thought was nice. They have the things for your pets, so you can get your little pup some toys. You can get them I think they even had bedding and what do you call it? I'm tired right now. My brain is not thinking. And out sweaters and coats and different things like that. I got my dog a coat from Five and Below, and she still wears it. It's like over a year later. Like, how many winters has she went through with that coat? But she still wears it. So you can get you something cute for your pup from Five and Below. They have pajama sets. Well, they're not sets, but they have the little fuzzy pants, and they have them in different prints, and then you can get a top to go with it. So you can make your own little pajama set with these. The tops are not fuzzy, but they look cute and cozy, and they had different Christmas designs on them. Some of them weren't Christmas designs, like really, but they had, all the, they have a lot of A Christmas Story at Five and Below right now. Like, they had they had the wrapping paper, they had the shirt. So a few different things you can pick up from them right now if you are into that. And then the other cute little shirts for Christmas. You could wear these just regular, or you can wear them as pajama tops. You can, I don't know, they can go either way to me. But they just look like regular t-shirts. They don't look like pajama shirts really. If you are in a warmer area or your house is warmer, you might want to grab some shorts, and they have those in the, I'm gonna call them Christmas designs, because when you see that, you get that that Christmas around that time feel. So they have those, and you can pick, and they had a few different prints in that. Gift bags in so many different sizes to pick from. So if you are a gift bag lover, in between $1 and $5 based on the bag. Some of these came in sets, so you're going to get multiple of them as opposed to just one. So that's a 3 count for $4. They had the smaller ones for $4, but you're going to get more in the pack than you would as a single one. Go for the really big bag that they had there. And you can see they still had stuff that they are putting out, because it is really just November, but they still have things that they are putting out. So as the month goes on, I'm sure they're going to put out more. They have the little advent calendar, again, a little chocolate. I think those are great. So if you are in the market for Christmas items, you might want to head over to Five and Below.